Cozy House Essentials back at you again with another custom home interior and exterior design video. Let's take a look at this home. Here is the exterior of the front, and we're going to look at the exterior of the back before we go in and view the property here or view the interior. So here's the pool in the backyard. Very nice rocked out pool area. Lots of trees out here, just an overall nice sized pool. And then you have your patio area that's covered. I love the black and white diamond shaped tile here. You have some really nice patio furniture. I just like looking at every little detail, like the windows here. Look at how beautiful. And then you'll go right into a guest bedroom here with bathroom, lots of windows. And yes, there's windows, but there's nobody outside, so you don't have to worry about any privacy issues because the backyard is all of yours. So before we look at the kitchen and the living dining room area, this is the entryway. And the kids, of course, do reside upstairs. There's like about 4 rooms up here. We'll just kind of skim through lightly. Here's a bathroom that this side will share. And I think there's 2 more rooms on the other side of this little circular second floor area here. So here's another bedroom, nice size closets. And here's the staircase. You can see it a little bit better from this angle, and the entryway as well down that way. And then you have like a little wet bar area over here. Your first floor. Now we're on the first floor. And the living room area. Love the big, accented fireplace wall there. Nice windows in here, and big, huge open space. Look at all the space you have. There's a prep kitchen there to the right. I kind of missed that. But here, the cabinetry, nice, like a blush gray or just a soft gray, I would say. And look at the windows in here and your backsplash. Beautiful oven top here. Pine wood floors and real chunky furniture all the way straight throughout this home. And on the other side, this is a double fireplace. So this is the look on the other side. You can come over here and have dinner as well. Look at the view that you get. Just absolutely beautiful. And then there's a bar down here as well. We'll look at that in just one moment. Here's the bar and the island here. Just beautiful wet bar. Nice view of your backyard area space there. I love the way this house has windows galore all the way through. And here's just a glimpse of the entryway coming from a different direction into the primary bedroom. Nice size primary bedrooms, also windows in here. Beautiful chandelier. I love the openness in here, just like really nice and clean. Nice fireplace. And of course, you're going to get a nice view in here too. Very nice sitting area. And then your primary bathroom. Look at how beautiful this is. Ladies, where my ladies at? Okay, the closet is to die for. Love, 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 love this custom closet area here. So beautiful. Just beautiful. It's just a whole nother room in here. So you can have a really good time getting ready to go out. So here's your primary bathroom. Just gorgeous. And of course, you have to have a gym. And I love this. It's a nice size, little small gym just to get your workout on a little bit here. And another hallway going up in another direction will lead you back into the kitchen area. But this is the entryway again. Hope you guys have liked this tour. If you like looking at custom homes and interior design, like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more walkthroughs.